Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a clean with me challenge video. So I'm going to try to start this series where once a week I'm going to be posting a cleaning challenge for you guys, and I'm going to try to make them to where it's like 10 minutes or less, but something that you don't necessarily do every week but needs to be done, you know, maybe monthly or maybe a few times a year, things like that. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you guys would subscribe and follow along. That way you can see these weekly challenge videos and you don't miss any more of my videos. All right, so for today's challenge, we're gonna be doing the shower curtain and the liner. So you know how they get like super disgusting at the bottom of your shower curtain liner? Well, we're gonna do something with that today, and you can either wash it if you're the type of person that you just love to wash your shower curtain liner and put it back up. That's all good. But we're gonna be doing the shower curtain liner and the shower curtain. And instead of doing the shower curtain liner, for me, I always just throw that liner away, and then I just get the ones from the Dollar Tree. And when they're disgusting and ready to be cleaned, then I just chunk those, put them in the trash can, and I put up a new one. So if you didn't already know that the Dollar Tree had shower curtain liners, now you do. And so I always use those, and then I will just wash our shower curtains. Now we only have 2 bathrooms that require a shower curtain, and it's our guest bathroom and then the kids bathroom. And our guest bathroom is not in need of it yet, so we're not gonna do that one today. I'm only gonna do the kids bathroom. And you guys might laugh at me, but when we were in our rental, while our house was being built, we had a shower for the kids, and then we had a shower for us, and we needed to get a shower curtain for the rental, and we just used a Dollar Tree shower curtain, and it's actually really cute, but it's like plastic. So we just kept that up when we moved in here because it was still fine, but we were looking for a new shower curtain for their bathroom, and I still have not found one that I really like. So in this video, I'm going to be taking that curtain and throwing it in the trash as well, because it's just a plastic little flimsy one that's done. We can't use it anymore. And then I'm going to use our shower curtain from our old house in their bathroom for right now while I am searching for one for their bathroom. So if you find one that you think is really cute that would go in my kids' bathroom, let me know in the comments below, and I would love to check that out. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right into this cleaning challenge. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is just take the shower curtain and the liner off of the rings, and I'm gonna leave these rings up there and then replace the shower curtain liner with these rings, and then I'm gonna use some other rings separately to hang up my curtain, which will make it super easy when I get ready to take the shower curtain liner off to throw it away next time, and also just to take off the curtain and wash it by itself. Alright, so this is my new shower curtain liner from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to rehang the shower curtain liner using the same rings that I had up earlier. And then I went ahead and put all of the rings onto the shower curtain, and I'm just going to hang them up so that they go between the rings of the shower curtain liner. So it's every other ring is for the shower curtain, and then the other would be for the shower curtain liner. And I used rings that I already had, but I do need to go get matching ones, because I realized after I was getting ready to put it up that the shower curtain liner rings were clear and these were like an off-white cream color, so I definitely need to go get matching ones. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that cleaning challenge. When you get your shower curtains cleaned, or if you change out your shower curtain liner, let me know in the comments below so I can give you guys some praise for getting it done and working your tail off. Alright, so I will see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to check back here for more cleaning challenge videos next week. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.